In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Sales Workspace work. We'll start on the HubSpot homepage. From the main navigation, open Sales and choose Sales Workspace. Think of this as your command center for prospecting, tasks, deals, and schedules, all in one place so you spend less time clicking around and more time selling. Hover over. Manage a task. Here you can create and prioritize tasks, set due dates and reminders, assign owners, and log activity like calls or emails. It's designed so you can complete, snooze, or update a task without leaving the workspace, keeping your momentum up throughout the day. Next, hover over Manage Sequences. Sequences automate your outreach by sending timed emails and creating follow-up tasks. You can enroll contacts, personalize templates, pause enrollments when someone replies, and monitor performance so you know what's working. Hover over View Other Tasks to quickly switch between lists, like Due Today, Overdue, Completed, or tasks assigned to you. Use filters to stay focused on the right follow-ups rather than getting lost in a long backlog. Hover over View Schedule to see your calendar. This is where upcoming meetings, calls, and task blocks live. Connect your calendar to keep everything in sync, and block time for prospecting so your pipeline building is protected on your calendar. Hover over View Deals to preview your pipeline. You'll see stages at a glance, spot stalled opportunities, and filter by owner, amount, or close date. It's a fast way to understand where revenue is moving. Click on Companies to open your account list. From here, review company records, see associated contacts, deals, and notes, and segment by industry, region, or lifecycle stage to plan targeted outreach. Hover on Add Companies to bring new accounts into the CRM. You can create a record manually, import a file, or add by domain. Assign an owner, set key properties, and check for potential duplicates to keep your data clean. Click on Deals to work your pipeline in detail. Customize stages, edit amounts and close dates, and move deals as they progress. Use filters and saved views for quick coaching or forecasting. Click on Tasks to manage your to-do list. Create one-off or bulk tasks, set priorities, and use task queues to power through calls and emails in an efficient flow. Click on Schedule to manage meetings and time blocks. Review upcoming commitments, adjust availability, and ensure your outreach tasks align with your calendar. Click on Dashboard to see performance at a glance, pipeline value, activity volume, sequence engagement, and more. Finally, click on Add Dashboard to build a view for your role. Start from a template or blank, add the reports you need, arrange them, and set filters or email delivery. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.